Parsley Lemon Cure. A miracle drink recipe that will be good for both liver cleansing and acne and also burns fat. Ingredients: 2 handfuls of parsley with its stems, 15 branches, 1 large tea glass of drinking water, 1 lemon juice. Preparation of: the stems of parsley and water are passed through a blender. Add the juice of 1 squeezed lemon. This mixture is drunk 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast in the morning and continued for 15 days. After 15 days, the lemon cure with parsley, which burns the fat, is interrupted for 3 to 5 days. Then, another 15-day cure is continued with the parsley lemon cure. Since parsley and lemon have a blood pressure lowering feature, they are not recommended for blood pressure patients. Ginger cocktail. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, 1 to 2 mint leaves, 700 milliliters of water. Preparation: peel the cucumber and slice thinly. Then slice the lemon, lime and ginger in the same way. Add all the ingredients along with the mint leaves to 2 liters of water. Keep it in the refrigerator overnight. You can drink 3 glasses a day, especially in the morning on an empty stomach and before meals. Apple smoothie. Apple reduces the amount of absorbable fat in cells. It also helps to burn fat seriously. Ingredients: 1 glass of homemade yogurt, 1 grated apple, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a glass of almonds, a little cinnamon, half a liter of skim milk. Preparation of: after mixing all the ingredients with the help of a blender, your healthy drink is already ready to consume. Enjoy being both healthy and fit with this drink that you prepare in 5 minutes. Chia and lemon drink. This natural drink, which is used in the treatment of many ailments, helps to prevent colds, cleanses the body and prevents fat accumulation. For this reason, many people around the world have included this drink in their daily diet. Ingredients: lemon juice, from 1/2 lemon, chia seeds, 1 tablespoon, honey, 1 tablespoon, water, 1.5 cups. Preparation of: first of all, you need to soak the chia seeds in water for at least 1 hour. As the chia seeds absorb the water, they will take on the appearance of a gel-like lump due to the fibers in them. Then put all the ingredients in the food processor and mix well. That's all. Your fat-burning drink is ready. You should consume this delicious drink every day in the morning. Thus, your metabolism will accelerate and you will lose weight faster and more effectively. Fat-burning coffee. Ingredients: 1 glass of milk, 1 stick of cinnamon sticks, 1 dessertspoon of gold or classic coffee. Preparation: we prepare the milk we will use for fat-burning coffee the night before. You should pay attention to this. Overnight, we put the milk and cinnamon sticks in a small saucepan and bring to a boil over low heat. The purpose of doing this is to ensure that the cinnamon releases its essences well into the milk. After the milk boils, we take it off the stove and leave it until the morning, leaving the cinnamon in it. Mixed detox drink. You will not be able to give up this detox drink, which will melt the fat in your belly area. Ingredients: 1 cup of pineapple, 1 to 2 leaves of spinach, 1 green apple, 1 glass of chilled green tea, 1 piece of ginger, 1 glass of coconut water, 1 spoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of honey, half a cucumber, 6 to 8 leaves of fresh mint. Preparation of: grind the ingredients one by one in the robot until they become liquid, then add the honey and mint. Mix until it becomes liquid. For your pleasure. Fast fat-burning tea. It is possible to get rid of all your oils with this tea. Ingredients: 4 glasses of water, 2 lemons, 2 grapefruits, 2 tablespoons of honey, a little mint leaves. Preparation: we add 4 glasses of water into the pot, dividing the lemon and grapefruit into 2. After boiling for about 10 minutes in this way, we strain it and make it ready for service. Add honey and mint leaves to sweeten it and consume it 3 times a day, 1 glass after meals. A beverage that burns fat in the body.